performance boldly redefined.
Hi, I'm Garrett at Retay USA. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to remove or replace your butt pad on any Masai Mara, Gordion, GPS, or Italia model. First thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure your gun's unloaded and a safe capacity to work on. Make sure it's pointed in a safe direction. And then you're going to find yourself a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to put it in the 2 holes here. I did the top one first, and then you line it up with the screw in there, and you just twist it out. Just remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Now that I've gotten my butt pad off, this I'm working on is a Masai Mara walnut stock. The walnut stock has the butt pad and it has the plate here. The plate you can pop off, then you can replace the plate if you got to do that, and then you can pop it back on. The synthetic stock is a little bit different. It has just a stock insert here that this is what your butt pad screws into right here on these 2 screws right here, just like that. But now that you've done that, you can just go ahead and screw it back in. When you're tightening down your new recoil pad, make sure you get it nice and seated good on there, but not too tightly, because you could strip the head or the thread on your screw. If you're looking for an aftermarket recoil pad option, make sure to reach out to your manufacturer and ask them if they have any options for your new Retay. Again, I'm Garrett, and I hope this helped.
To stay up to date on the latest Retay USA YouTube videos, subscribe below or head over to retayusa.com and check out our straight shooting blog.